The Likeable Forms Active Campaign Extension tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to add a new subscriber to your Active Campaign account. To get started, we want to go ahead and add our Likeable Forms license key and also our Active Campaign API key. If this is the first time you're setting this up, go ahead and hit Verify License Key, and as long as your license key validates, you'll go ahead and you can start moving on to your extensions. So with the API key in place, we'll automatically be able to populate all of your list names here, and we'll just go ahead and select an option. And so your list name is going to determine which list we're going to add the subscriber to. You also need your Active Campaign account name. We'll just plug in our demo site account here. And now we need to go ahead and map over some data. So we'll need an email field, a first name field, last name, and a phone. So I went ahead and already added an email field, but let's go ahead and add a phone field. And for the name, we'll go ahead and add a text field. And let's jump back into our settings and take a look. So we go ahead and map our email field to the email. We'll add our name to the first name. Oh, looks like I need to add a last name. And we'll add our phone for our phone field. Just jump back over here and add a last name. And we'll change this to first name. This is just going to help with our field mapping so we know where we're mapping which field to. This will be our last name. Okay, and then the last step is subscriber status. So add contact to Active Campaign and add contact to list. So with Active Campaign, we're actually going to create a contact and then add them to a list, or we can add the contact to Active Campaign, but we do not add them to a list. So this is purely optional. We're going to go ahead and do both, and there you have it.